Hi, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also press the bell button so that you never miss any update from me. Also do not forget to like, comment and share with your friends. Namaskar, namaste and hello to everybody out there. Welcome back to my channel bewidshree and I am SHYAMASREE. I know I have been off for 2 weeks now. I am really sorry. Something has kept me busy and I had a lot of work going on in my home. You will get to know that soon why. For me it is like if I am doing a video, I should be very calm and very composed while doing a video, because I have a lot of things before, after and during, and I wanted to be at my best and do my video, because otherwise I don't want to fake in front of my camera. But now I'm back with the bang. So yes, I have created this look. The moment I posted my picture of the entire look that I did at my cousin's wedding, so everybody was like, we need to see this, you have to make a tutorial on this. So I hope you will be liking it, and yes guys, I missed you all a lot. So I will not talk too much and will jump into the video. So as a primer, I will be using this Urban Decay B6 Vitamin Infused Complexion Prep Priming Spray, and I got this on sale. Like there was 50% sale going on in some products recently, so I got this, and this it says this soothing spray preps, hydrates and primes as it balances the complexion and even skin tone. B6 absorbs oil, vitamin E provides antioxidants and willow bark, rich in natural salicylic acid, aids cell turnover for all skin types. So this is really good for all skin types. So I will be using first this as a primer. I have been using this recently when I was attending the weddings, so it's really nice. So it will hydrate my skin. As you all know, I do my skincare early in the morning. Guys, I have done my skincare routine, so you can just click the link above. Right now it's showing on the top. You can just click there and it will take you to that video, and now you just keep on watching this, and when you're done with this video, then you can go and watch that video of mine. Okay, so after this as a primer, I will be using this MILANI Conceal Plus Perfect. This is my second bottle because the other one I did not finish it up, but it got expired. I don't take any risk, so I generally throw off those. So you should also do it. You should not, no matter how expensive it is, you have to throw it. I have been using this Revolution Revolution liquid highlighter just to add a little bit of glow on my face, and I think this is in the shade Euphoric Gold. So I mix this too. Now I'll go ahead with my foundation and just spot correct the areas I want to have more coverage. So I'm taking the foundation. You can also try this out. This is a really good method. In that way you won't need too much of, because I don't like too much of cakey base on my face. So what I do is I just wherever I need little more coverage, I just spot correct like under the eyes for more coverage. That is why it is always good to apply concealer or anything like which is your base color. That base color concealer, you should always apply it after your foundation. In that way you would know how much you have to apply and you will avoid applying too much. Also guys, when you are using your fingers or anything, using makeup with your hands, make sure that you have clean. So now I'm using this Age Rewind concealer. MAC setting spray, but the bottle is different because the cap of the MAC bottle is broken. I'll do my brows with this Miss Claire eyebrow cake. All the products will be mentioned down in the description box. Kindly go and check it. Okay, I'm done with this eye, so we'll do this eye. So first we have already primed our lid, as you have seen. So I'll just, so that there are no more crease lines, I'll just pat with my fingers and then the powder. Yes, now I'll take a fluffy brush and first, using this color Shy from Rose Gold palette, HUDA Beauty. Applying the same colors I have used on my eyelids. I'm using a black and also a little bit of brown, and will place on the lash line. I'm not using any kajal, so I will be using just the eyeshadow. I have mixed black and brown. That's it with the eyes. Now I'll put mascara. In the wedding I did put lashes, but if you people are not a lash person, then I would say just put a lot of mascaras and it will be looking great. So I will not apply my eyelashes today in this video. Now I will be using the lipstick. So Antwerp from NYX. So this is the color. And now I'll just wear my jewelry and come back. Okay, so I'm here, but that time, as you guys know, I had long hair. So now I have short hairs.
but now my short hairs are coming out. So
yeah, the last thing that is left is highlighter. I completely forgot the highlighter, and wedding without highlighter is strictly no. And I'm using the highlighter BECCA Champagne Pop. This is one of my favorite, especially during the weddings. This is the entire look that I did on that day, and I have recreated it. Sorry guys, I could not wear dress again because it is in my suitcase, and the suitcase is in the loft, so so I can't take it out. So that's why I just did my whole makeup tutorial so that you can see. And yeah, that's it. That's all about the whole makeup. I really hope you will be liking it, and if you do like it, please do give a big thumbs up. Your comments, your likes, everything motivates me to do a video. I'll see you next Tuesday with another video. Till then, stay happy, stay well, and do not forget the 3 L's of my life: live and let live, love and share the love, and laugh make others laugh. Bye and take care.